car. Oh, there's always cars off going somewhere. But I wasn't gonna film that anyway. Here's what I was gonna film. Got a ThyssenKrupp here. Whoa. Ignore me almost losing my balance. You can see the elevator down there. Here it comes. Oh, okay, bye. Oh, it's stopping above me. Someone's probably getting off. In the meantime, look. I've not seen these kind of arrows on these ThyssenKrupp fixtures. Very pretty building here. Actually let you open the door before the inner door is fully open. That's interesting. We're not normally like that in Europe. To let it slam. All right, off we go. Well, look, we actually have a little bit of a view out. All right, down to one. Probably goes about 100, 150 feet per minute. Spanish ThyssenKrupp fixtures. There's that. Basic ThyssenKrupp mod. Well, no, it's a little abnormal. You don't usually get this screen. It's a little different from your usual ThyssenKrupp mod, but still not very interesting regardless. I mean, it's neat, but not crazy. It's no holiday special video. Anyway. Somebody